was going on. It didn't age good.
It was the liquor and
cigarettes and the liquor.
BFT. Yeah, there you go. People should start using that. BFT.
That's the hashtag BFT, bitch.
BFT.
That's BFT coming your way. It's like, delicious.
But you'll see.
Time your face slapping.
So, no, I was helping you.
Well, thank you very much, Rob DJ, for that amazing quiz, and I'll be back next week.
This is Rob DJ's Pub Quiz on Radio X.
10 o'clock, we'll be right back.
Radio X. The Chris Moyle Show.
What are you doing?
Sponsored by Dave. Available on demand from UK TV Play.
The entertainment is Steve's emo playlist. Some mornings just call for a breakfast wrap. McDonald's, we make breakfast. Served before 10:30 a.m.
Oh, Churchy, I didn't sleep a
For only excess supplies, crime reference required and T's and C's apply. Underwritten by UK Insurance Limited.
What do we want? When do we want it? Now! Vodafone's lowest ever price fibre home broadband is backed by popular demand. Only £20 a month for Vodafone pay monthly customers. Yes, this offer for super fast broadband ends on the 3rd of October, so follow me in store or get online now.
The future is exciting. Ready? Vodafone. 18-month agreement subject to credit check and availability based night.
What is the best monkey video ever made? That's which one?
I haven't seen all of them.
I think you're getting there, aren't you? Yeah. So do you know the new movie, The Meg? We were talking about this last Saturday when we watched the trailer.
Yeah, we did.
I'm going to get you're going to go, Toby, we've got an actor on tomorrow. I'm going to go, awesome. And then he's going to come in and he's going to go, well.
He's in his kind of ice house, if you like, for want of a better description. And it's this green crystal that kind of
Yes.
The adverts. Can you find me a karaoke version of it, please? So, Dom, where did that come from? We're playing Pub Common People, and you're sitting in back. He's sitting in his chair, laid back in his chair, going.
Whole towns and villages get behind this event with food festivals, giving a platform to local producers.
So, what do we got? Doing after we recorded the podcast and we stayed for a few drinks.
I mean,
Everybody's gone
We
inside
might
the
be here
bar, and
forever.
then I was on my own for a few minutes
Good now.
for a while, so I kind of tidied up because it was a real mess. Props, we had a tent, I would ask about it, which we never used, just got in the way.
Like old people shouldn't drive.
Are they using custard as a different word, or
Yeah.
is that really custard?
Thanks, Al.
It is a cut.
Dominic then comes up to me back in the old beer yard bit, and he goes, I swear.
You go on the other one, and they kept doing it. So then I would just kind of go on her side of the road, and then when I did that, she would go to the other side of the road. They just kept doing it, I don't know what she was trying to do, trying to intimidate me or whatever, but it's like that.
Babe. If he slams his brakes on,
I hate people that do that.
I know it was a stupid move for him to do, but if he can't slam it.
Can I pick up pizza while I'm there?
Yeah, if you want to.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Can you move over now? Or what?
Pardon?
Is someone just hogging the outside lane?
Idiot.
Yeah, it's been a really long day.
I'll give you a hug when you get home.
house and the shit. He went into the inside lane, accelerated, and then when I didn't overtake, he went back into the outside lane and then slowed down again.
Who would like to win, potentially, £30 million?
The £30 million giveaway, potentially on
So we have our scratch.
And then who do you want to be the last route?
The last route can wait. Can you... Oh my goodness. The car's on fire.
What? Oh yeah, I went past that too. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Was there another police car by the traffic lights?